Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is make roasted honey garlic drumstick recipe. Hope you like it. I didn't pay enough attention to the grilling time of the chicken and the skin was burnt, but it didn't affect the delicious chicken as it was still juicy. Let's roast drumstick together. Garlic honey roasted drumsticks. Ingredients: boneless drumsticks, potatoes, carrot, corn, chopped garlic, ginger. Chopped ginger. Pat dry drumstick. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 tablespoon honey. Add chopped garlic. Add chopped ginger. You can use a fork to pierce the hole to speed up the marinating process. Mix evenly and marinate for minimum 30 minutes. Peel carrot. Peel potatoes. Diced potatoes. Diced carrot. Corn cut into sections. Place aluminum foil on baking pan. Drizzle cooking oil on aluminum foil. Add potatoes and carrots. Optional to drizzle curry powder. Drizzle cooking oil and mix evenly. Wrap aluminum foil on baking pan. Chicken is marinated. Place drumstick on aluminum foil. Roasted for approximately 15–20 minutes. Smell good. Pour roasted chicken gravy on bowl. Optional to drizzle sauce on roasted vegetables. Ingredients baked in the steaming and baking mode will not be dry in texture, and the nutrition and taste of the ingredients themselves are well preserved and delicious. Plate and let's eat. It's easy to make a meal. With meat and vegetables, it's very satisfying. The chicken steak can be marinated in advance and can be roasted anytime you want to eat it. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.